everyone, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, patterns. So let's get started. Binny and Ginny were going home. On the way they saw some people making the pavement. This is the picture of pavement. Tiles were used were different color and design. Now this is the picture of pavement. Pavement is next to the road, विच इज़ मेड फॉर पेडिस्ट्रियन, जो पैदल चलने वाले लोगों के लिए जगह बनाई जाती है रोड के किनारे, दैट इज पेवमेंट. सो दे हैव ऑब्जर्व दैट इन दैट पेवमेंट दे हैव यूज डिफरेंट डिजाइंस एंड पैटर्न्स. यू कैन सी white, then red, then white tile, then red, then white, then red. So this is the another picture of pavements. As you can see, this is right next to the road. This is the tiles patterns which they use to make pavement. इस डिज़ाइन की होती हैं अलग अलग. This is the tile which we use at our home also. White, black, then white, then black, then white, black. All over you can see these pattern. On reaching home, they saw their mother's sari hanging on a rope. They also had nice design and different color. After reaching the home, they have observed their mother's sari hanging on a rope. As you can see, they have different color and patterns. अलग अलग डिज़ाइंस की होती हैं साड़ियाँ. So in the evening they were playing. You can see the sarees here also. All the sarees of a different pattern. आपको कोई भी सेम नहीं मिलेंगी, सब अलग अलग डिज़ाइंस की होती हैं. See, red saree they have created pattern with white and black thread. Here you can see another saree with different patterns. In the evening they were playing in a park. They saw iron grills on the boundary wall. Look at the grills, Binny said. These same grills make a different pattern in a window at home. Now see, this is the grills you must have seen at your home also, on door or window. This is the grill on window. See, the pattern is both the side is same. Whatever is here you can see here also. जो आपको left hand side मिलेगा वही आपको right hand side मिलेगा. See, this is this and this same, this and this same, and center they have created the new pattern. We see many such patterns around us on tiles, clothes, duraries. Now see, this is the another pattern of grill. You can see. Whatever they have created left hand side same they will create in right hand side. यहाँ और यहाँ का सबका पैटर्न सेम होगा. This is the picture of duraries. Duraries in Hindi we call it दरी. You must have seen at your home. आपने अपने घर में देखी होंगी. See, they have used two colors, orange, red, orange, red, orange, red, orange, red. Now Bholu has eaten a part of the shoulder of Binny's mother. Look at the picture and help Binny in matching which piece of it is of the same pattern. अब भोलू ने क्या किया है, भोलू ने बिनी की मम्मा का शॉल खा लिया है, तो हमें इसमें से वो सेम पैटर्न का पीस इसमें ऐड करना है, सो दैट वी कैन मेक अ न्यू वन, जो हम जोड़ के उसको सही कर सकें या नया जैसा बना सकें. सो फर्स्ट वी विल सी द पैटर्न. Here they have used four patches इन्होंने डिज़ाइन यूज़ किया, 4 patches वाला. So here 4 they have used. This is more than 4. This is not the one. Here 4 patches they have used, but the design is not same. ये और ये same नहीं है, तो ये भी नहीं होगा. They have used more than 4. This is also not the one. And see, this and this is same, so this is the right one. So you will take this. This is the picture of Madhav. Madhav wants to make a pattern on a gate using this design. Can you guess which of these cannot be formed with this? अब आपको बताना है कि Madhav wants to make a pattern on a gate by using this design. वो ये डिज़ाइन यूज़ करके गेट पे पैटर्न बनाना चाहता है. So which will not match? कौन सा मैच नहीं हो रहा है इससे, ये बताना है आपको. So this and this is same, so we can make a gate with this pattern. This is also same, this is correct, this is also same, this and this pattern is also same, but this pattern is this pattern, they are not same. So this is the correct one. Means we cannot make a pattern on gate by using this pattern. So in page number 32, this is your homework. You have to complete this pattern. First, as you can see, purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple. Like this they have used. Then they have divided the square in two parts. In one side mustard and the second side green. Then again green, then mustard, green, green, mustard, mustard, green, green, mustard, mustard, green, like this. Then again purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple, yellow. So you will complete the pattern in this way. This is the picture. In this way you will complete the pattern. Now in page number 34, this is also your homework. You have to complete this. First you can see circle, square, circle, square, circle, square. Yes, then circle, then square. All the arrows should be upside, and you have to use the same color. Whatever color they have used, you also use the same one, like this. You have to complete the pattern in this way. आपको ऐसे ही complete करना है.